literally got this car. I literally had 30 minutes from the time I rolled up to the track to where I needed to be in the staging lanes for the cruise. That's how last minute this thing was. We're maybe a quarter or maybe a little more than a quarter way through with the cruise. Everything's going well so far. The coolant temps are staying right around 182. It's starting to climb to 184 now. But it's going good. The car feels a little funny. It's got this funniness to it right now. And I think that's probably the spark plugs. It's probably time to change the spark plugs out. The unfortunate part is that I have to go straight to the staging lanes, and I get 30 minutes, I think, and to cool down, and then it's straight to the first round in this event. So no changing tires, no adding fuel, can't even open the hood is what they're telling us. Straight into first round. So that's gonna be rough, but I think we're okay. It's probably gonna run a bad number, I'm not sure, because I think it's gonna break up. But then when we get it back to the pits, we'll put new plugs in it and start putting the power down in the second round, if we get there. So let's find out.
It's quick. It's not consistent.
All right, first round, and I'm racing. Not this guy, because I got the bike. We needed to. We get lucky because this thing is breaking up real bad, and I'm almost 100% sure that it's the spark plugs. So all we got to do is break the beams, and then we'll go back to the pits and get to work on getting this thing straight, because second round's going to be coming up real soon. I got work to do. So loud, but got a generator going. But I don't know what's up with the lights. The car's breaking up so bad in low RPM. As soon as we pass like 4,000, it just gets going like a bat out of hell. We're in the finals, and guess who we're racing on? Not 100% perfect setup right now. Flash WS6, the one time that I get to race him. I've been after this dude for so long, and the car's not 100%, but we're gonna send it. Better believe it. Let's go. Hey, come back here. Finally, finally it's time. Look at this guy. You know how long I've been chasing this guy, wanting a race?
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are.
So, what do you think, homie? How many car lengths gonna pull in front of you?
I don't know. I think it'll be close.
Yeah?
Both cars running decent. We'll see what it does.
Funny thing is that I am number 6 and he is number 5. And if I run a faster time than this dude, then I get to jump him on my top 10 Trans Am list. But guess what? I do get to meet my goal of actually racing someone on my list. No
Progress.
Yeah.
Baby steps. We live so close to each other, and to not have raced, it's a shame.
Yeah. Yes.
So we need to get our together.
That's the truth. It's time. What's up, man?
What up?
Where you been? Anybody knows this is that Camaro that we talked about, that some Angel, his boosted Camaro.
Yeah.
Did you go any faster in that Camaro?
9.1, 9.0, I think. Right now, it's turned down.
Yeah.
I think we ran out of pump.
Oh, fuel pump.
Yeah.
Are you running 85 or?
Yeah. 85.
What? Oh, not bad.
It'll get to the 7s one day with you guys.
With you guys?
Oh, well,
yeah.
soon.
Yeah. We're still trying to get there, but you know how it is.
Y'all are closer, a lot closer than me.
Yeah. we put in the work. I mean, we spent all yesterday, the whole week, all of this morning, literally busting my butt trying to get this car ready. Got in the cruise, did the cruise, didn't even know what the car was gonna do. Came back and started racing, and yeah, we got some issues, but we're here. Let's get this race over with.
Next time.
There is gonna be a next time.
First
Everybody here knows it. It's gonna be a next time.
First of many times.
Maybe sooner than later, like next week. But
fix your breaking up first before you come out again.
Exactly. That's what I'm gonna do. Every single day till I find it. But yeah, hey, congratulations. The man Flash over here. Good sport. Hard to beat. I'm gonna get there one day. So. And a shout out to everybody that helped in the process. Number 10, and just put it up.
No meditation will ever work like you do.
Next time we're doing one out of
Y'all get me out of race and I give y'all food.
Get it?
Oh, you see that?
Oh.
Look at that.
Check that out.
One day, Juan.
One day. You'll get some money.
Maybe. As long as I'm not here.
Back at the house. Again, really sorry. I just went into straight race car mode and really didn't pick up the camera as much as I should have. And it's because when we're at the track, or even when we're rushing and getting the car together, I get into race mode. I just get into fix-it mode, and I'm so invested and focused on what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to get the car to do, that I forget to pick up the camera, and I always forget to ask other people to at least film for me. But you know, I had GoPros, I had all my setup ready, I just didn't do any of it. So do apologize for not getting the media out there to you guys. But that's it. Now to show you guys what we changed and what the setup looks like. I know I've been kind of hiding, everyone's been asking, but let's go check it out. By the way, it's a little raw. It's still, you know, like I said, we just had finished it up before I went to race, so mind you, it's a little raw, but it is together. Let's look at it. You know what? I think I'm gonna pull this car out for you guys so we can get a better look. Give me 1 second. There she is. This is the new setup, guys, just to let you guys take a peek at that. Let's why not? Let's get into some B-roll with this thing.
You found me when I was down. I didn't know you were around. Am I too big a deal? Am I what you're looking for? Can I be what you're looking for?
So yeah, that's the setup right there, so you guys can see. It's a little bit different. Nothing major, but I mean, to us, this was a pretty big adventure. So it's good. It's a little, like I said, a little raw right now, but we're gonna get it. First thing we're gonna do is figure out the motor, and then we'll take it apart, clean it all up, make it look nice, and go from there. But yeah, we still stuck to our roots and kept it wild for you guys. Well, that's it. That wraps up the video. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. And as you already know, I'm gonna get to work. But that'll do for now.